On the news, let's get reaction from Capitalist Pig hedge fund manager and Fox News contributor Jonathan Hoenig and Nicholas Wealth Management CEO David Nicholas. Good to see you, gentlemen. What shocking news this morning that we all got, unless we were up late last night. So, David, what happens to Disney now? I mean, Chapek, and I assume I'm pronouncing his name right, Chapek, he really did reorganize the company. He created this new Disney Media and Entertainment division. Will Bob Iger now undo what Chapek did?
Yeah, there's some damage to be undone. I mean, there's a PR disaster that Disney's experienced this year. I mean, if you just separate the stock performance, I mean, it's been a bad year overall, right? You saw what happened with the Florida Parental Rights and Education bill that took the heat of the Florida legislature. Ron DeSantis ended up losing a big part of their tax status, which was a big deal for a company like Disney. But I'm looking at the profitability going forward. I mean, streaming from a profitability standpoint has been a disaster. So I think Bob Iger's going to have to come in and figure out, how do we get that segment turned around? They're seeing $4 billion in losses this year for that segment alone. The parks are great. Look, we're going to Disney in a couple of weeks. The parks are printing money. It's the streaming that is really where Disney can scale. That's where they're failing. So I think in order for Wall Street, for this stock to turn around, there's got to be improvement there. And that's why the stock's down 40%.